The evolution of art, a journey through time. The history of art spans thousands of years, beginning with prehistoric cave paintings created by early humans. These simple yet powerful images were followed by the grandeur of ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, who produced monumental sculptures, detailed frescoes, and iconic architectural designs. The Middle Ages brought a focus on spirituality, with intricate Gothic cathedrals and religious paintings dominating the era. The Renaissance marked a rebirth of classical ideals, with masters like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo elevating art to new heights. Later movements, such as Baroque, Romanticism, and Impressionism, reflected changing social and cultural dynamics. In the 20th century, modern and contemporary art embraced innovation, challenging traditional boundaries with movements like Cubism, Surrealism, and Abstract Expressionism. Today, art continues to evolve, blending digital media and global influences, showing that creativity knows no limits.